sewing with Trishy. That's me. So today we're going to use our little pretend baby doll. I want to name my baby doll. What should I name the baby doll? Do you have a special name for your baby doll? I like that name. I like that name. What should I name the baby? How about Sam? Sam is a good name for my baby. You can name your baby whatever you'd like. So hello, Sam. Sam's going to join us and help us with our story. All right? Let's get to it, Sam. You ready? Sam's just a doll, not a real baby.
Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today we're going to read Where is Baby's Belly Button? Are you ready? All right, let's go. Where are Baby's eyes? Can you help me lift the flap so we could see where Baby's eyes are? Yes, let's all say lift, lift, lift. Under her hat. Baby's eyes are under her hat. Under. How many eyes does Baby have? 1, 2. 2 eyes.
Here's my baby. Do you have a pretend baby doll like this one? You could go get it and pretend you have a baby. Now our babies are very small, so we have to be very gentle with them. This is just a pretend one. It's a doll. Daisy came to join us. Hello, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. But where are Baby's eyes? Where are Baby's eyes? Say lift, right? Lift. There are Baby's eyes. How many eyes does the baby have? 1, 2. 2 eyes. 1, 2. 2 eyes.
Where is Baby's mouth? Lift. Can you say lift? Thank you. Behind the cup. Baby's mouth is behind the cup.
Mouth. Where is Baby's mouth? Right there. Baby's mouth. Mouth. Lips. Mouth. What do we use our mouth for? Yes, eating delicious, healthy food and drinking delicious milk, water, or juice, or lemonade. I like lemonade. I love cranberry juice. Do you like cranberry juice?
Where is Baby's belly button? Lift. Under her shirt. Baby's belly button.
Is this Baby's belly button? No, that's Baby's nose. Is this Baby's belly button? No, these are Baby's cheeks. Cheeks, 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 cheek, cheek, cheeks. Let's see. Baby's belly button is where? Right there. There's Baby's belly button right on the belly. Baby has a belly button right there. Can you point to your belly button? Can you point to your belly button? Mine is right there also. Right there.
Where are Baby's feet? Lift. Lift. Behind the cat. Behind the cat are Baby's feet.
There are Baby's feet. 1, 2. Baby has how many feet? 1, 2 feet. How about the toes? These are called toes. How many toes does a baby have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the other side. So baby has 5 toes on this side and 5 toes on this side. 5 and 5 makes 10. Want to count with me again? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Baby has 10 toes on his feet.
Where are baby's hands? Lift, lift, under the bubbles, under the bubbles. Baby's taking a bath. Baby's hands are under the bubbles.
Where are baby's hands? Say lift. My hands are covering the baby's hands. My hands are much bigger because I'm an adult. Ready? Say lift. Louder. Lift. Lift. There are baby's hands. Baby has how many hands? I think you're right. 2. 1, 2. Do you want to count the baby's fingers like we did the toes? Yes? Okay, we'll do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers does the baby have? 10 fingers. Do you have 10 fingers? You want to count your fingers with me? Put your baby doll down. Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. We have 10 fingers. Yay!
Where is baby? Here is baby. So cute.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Eyes, mouth, ears, and nose. Boop, boop. Again. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Eyes, mouth, ears, and nose. Beep, beep, beep. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes, mouth, ears, and nose. Beep, beep, beep. Did you learn your body parts? Did you sing with me? Did you sing? You want to do it one more time? You do? Do you want to do it one more time? Sing the head, shoulders, knees, and toes song one more time. Say more, 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 more. Do you want more? More, more, more. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, mouth, eyes, ears, and nose. Wow, thank you so much for singing with me that song. It's one of my favorites.